Hello everybody, this is my sixth video. So now I give to how to design a true motor control circuit in your industrial area. So this is the method 1. Thank you. Please see and you can build your own control circuit and power circuit in the industrial area. Thank you.
Okay, this is a two motor power circuit method 2. So I am using VKT simulator for drawing these circuit diagrams. Now I select parts library and I select some electrical components. So I want a live and neutral. I take this point, this terminal, and take this point to this terminal, and I want there are two stop buttons, and I want there are two start button, and I want two contactors and normally open contact points. So I want two normally open contact points. Okay, now I draw in the control circuit of two motor power circuit. So this is method 2. Rotate 270 degree, rotate 270 degree, rotate 90 degree, and rotate 90 degree, rotate 270 degree, and rotate 270 degree, and this one is rotate 90, and this one is rotate 90. Now I combine these two terminal. And this one combined to this one, and this one combined to this one, and this switch combined to this switch, and this switch combined to this switch, and take this point, this contactor, and combine this point, and this line combined to this line. Now this contactor points contact with this line. Okay, this is a control circuit. Now I rename this circuit diagram control circuit. Okay, now let's go to the rename this electrical components. This is K1, this is K2, this is start switch, this one is the start switch of K2, and this is stop switch, and this one is the stop switch of K2, and this is a self-forward line of K1 contactor. This is the self-forward line of K2 contactor. Now I draw in a power circuit of this circuit diagram. I want 3 phase power, and I want there are two normally open triple contact points. Rotate 90 degree and rotate 90 degree, and I want there are two 3 phase induction motor. Now I combine this line like this, I combine this line to this line, So I rename this circuit diagram power circuit. Okay, now I rename this contactors point K1 contactor, this one is the K2 contactors. Now I rename this motor is motor 1 and this is a motor 2. Okay, now I simulate this this circuit diagrams and energize the two motor. So using the run button. Okay, now you can start this motor 1 using the start button and start the motor 2 using the start button, and you can see the motor 1 is forward direction and motor 2 is reverse direction. If you want run the motor 1 in forward direction, you can change this supply like this one to this one, and this is not change line, and this line combined with this line combined with this line, and this line combined with this line. So I can stop motor 1 using this stop button and motor 1 stop using this stop button. There are separate stop button and there are two separate start button for these two motors. Alright, let's go to the change the direction of motor 2. Now I remove this wire and this wire. Now I reconnect this supply like this, and this one reconnect this like this. Now I energize this two motor, so you can see there are two motors are run on forward direction or clockwise.